So Kirby-Smith has a long tradition, 40 years with Ed Kirby, of being a solutions-oriented sales team. You know, one of the best benefits that we have here at Kirby-Smith is our people. They're very hands-on, so events like this are a great way for all of the customers to see the product offering from all our manufacturer partners and understand that we have solutions for all of their job needs. We have the products. The most important thing, we have the people who are knowledgeable about the machines and services that they're purchasing, and want them to be able to see that we bring the technology in order to mix the technology with sort of a classic business so that they have new solutions for all sorts of problems. We have a mix of everything out here today. So we have the traditional IMC products that people know, so the dozers. We have a D71 PXI here today with the full IMC suite. We've got the PC210 smart construction on the excavator so people can continue to learn that product. But this year we brought a Trimble equipped GD655 motor grader. So in addition to the Komatsu product, we brought out our LeBounty shear to show them the features and benefits of the shear line. We also brought out Magni rotating telehandler and to see what we have available, get some people up and in the cab. And then finally we brought in the Takuchi TV line of excavators so people can see the utility line and what options we have in that machine line.
Kirby-Smith has put together a great event here today. Komatsu has some of the best technology in the industry, but Kirby-Smith provides the sales and support in the field to help keep those machines running. Everybody can move dirt, but who can do it most efficiently and who can provide the service when the customer needs it? It's all about the customer. If they're not successful, we're not successful. Komatsu and Kirby and our long partnership, we recognize that, and we want to provide the people and support in order to make that happen.
So I would say it is helpful an event like this, yes. Come out and get just hands-on instead of taking somebody's word for it.
Absolutely. Everybody I've talked to so far is knowledgeable about everything as far as GPS or equipment size or controls. Everybody knows what I need to know to help me make that decision.